If you want to install Chrome, all you have to do is launch the Microsoft Edge browser and search download Chrome. From here, you scroll down to the Google Chrome, google.com site, and then click download Chrome today. You'll see the download option right here at the download Chrome. Give that a launch, and then you'll see that the file has been downloaded. You'll also find the file in your downloads folder. All you have to do is double click that, right click it, and select open. Once you hit yes to install, it's going to initialize, and it will take some time to install. Just as easy as that, you have Chrome installed on your device. You can either sign in, but if you don't have an account, you select don't sign in, and now you can set it as your default as well. For me, since I primarily use Chrome, I'm going to select as default. I'm going to select the web browser and then select Google Chrome. This will select Google Chrome as your default web browser. So next time you open up an internet application, it will automatically open on Chrome. So now you're free to do whatever you want.